Today we eat red crayfish with bacon and with marjoram with overcooked of lentils and dehydrated bacon. The ingredients are fresh marjoram, red crayfishes wrapped up with some bacon, lentils, dehydrated bacon, white onion. Now let's begin the preparation. Now let's cook the lentils. Let's put a tickle of oil in the saucepan. Some onion so-called julienne. Let's soak slightly. Let's add the lentils. The lentils are the only one legume not needing to be soaked. And then let's add some vegetable broth. Let's cook for at least 30 minutes. Now let's fry a bit the crayfishes with the bacon and the fresh marjoram. Let's add just a bit of salt. Let's put it on absorbent paper in order to make dry the grease in excess. Let's take the lentils after we cook them for 30 minutes and so they will form this overcooked. And now let's put it into the plate. Let's put in the center the overcooked. Let's leave the skewer from the crayfishes that we put before to avoid to remove the back. Let's put the crayfishes in this way. Then let's add the dehydrated bacon and also the fresh marjoram, the tickle of oil. The dish is ready.
Mettiamo solo un pizzico di sale. Li mettiamo su carta assorbente per far asciugare il grasso in eccesso. Prendiamo la nostra passata di lenticchie, dopo la cottura di 30 minuti si ha questa passata. Impiattiamo. Mettiamo al centro la nostra passata. I nostri gamberi togliamo lo spiedino che è stato messo per evitare che si stacchi il lardo. Poggiamo al senso orario. Il nostro bacon disidratato. E la nostra maggiorana fresca. Filo d'olio. Il piatto è pronto. Buon appetito.